Hi friends, welcome back to the CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. You can see the base dimension 65 by 65, thickness is 15 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select 2D sketch, select plane, select line, create one rough sketch, give the dimensions, height is 65 mm, thickness is 15 mm. You select parallel constraint, select both the lines. It's already parallel. Okay. Next, give this dimension. This is 50 mm. Angle is 130. Give this thickness also 15 mm. Select perpendicularity, select both the lines. That's it. Sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Select extrude, select mid plane 65 mm. Select this surface, sketch R15, distance 75 mm. Select circle R15 into 2, 30 mm. Give the dimensions 75 mm. Select line, select trim, select the vertical constraint, select midpoint of this, select tangent, okay. Now sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude. Reverse the direction. Here select up to surface. Okay. Select fillet. Fillet size is R30. and R10. Again select this surface, sketch. There is a one pocket cutout. That pocket dimension is 25 by 30. Dimension 17 into 5 from one side, 15 from one side. Select rectangle, 25 tab 30. Give the dimensions 17.5, 15. Finish sketch, select extrude, select cut, through hole, okay. Again select this surface, sketch, select point, give the dimensions 12.5 and here also 12.5. 12.5 from here to here also. Finish sketch. Hole diameter is 5.5. ISO, select here socketed cap screw M5, okay. Select pattern, select the future first, direction 1, pitch is 30, this pitch is both side 12.5, 12.5, 25, 65 minus 25, 40 mm, 40, 30, 30. Another direction, select direction 2, reverse this, 40 mm, okay. There is one more hole, diameter 10. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, finish sketch, select extrude, cut, through hole, okay. Select this surface, sketch, here 2 holes is there, give the dimensions, from the side 10, pitch is 45 and 25 mm from the bottom. Give the horizontal condition. Finish sketch, select hole, select simple hole, give the diameter 10 mm, okay. Next there is a fillet for this pocket, so select fillet, leave to give 2 mm, That's it friends, all the features are completed. Assign the material here, select steel, which material you want we can select here. In the polishes also we can select here. So if you want we can change the color. With this wheel also we can change the color friends. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this video friends.